How to turn off voice control on iPhone. So go ahead and go to your settings application, click accessibility, scroll down and choose voice control. As you can see, my voice control is enabled. In this way, you'll have the control device functions. Voice control allows you to navigate and control various functions on your iPhone using voice commands. So you can make phone calls, send messages, open applications, adjust settings, browse the internet by speaking the corresponding commands. Voice control allows users to set up custom voice commands for specific actions or tasks. You can create personalized phrases to perform tasks such as launching apps, activating Siri, or executing certain functions within an app. Now, if you don't want this feature and you want to turn it off, simply turn or tap on this toggle off, and once the green is not available, the voice control is now turned off. So that is how to turn off voice control on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.